Hello everyone. Most of the time for breakfast we have idli with coconut chutney or peanut chutney. But did you try tomato, mint and coriander chutney? So today let us see how to prepare that. All we need is tomatoes. Take 8 to 10 medium sized or 7 to 8 large sized tomatoes. That should be much ripe ones. So wash it properly and then cut into cubes like this. You don't need to chop finely. So put the tomatoes aside. Now then you need fresh mint and fresh coriander. You need to remove the leaves from the stems and then wash it properly so that the sand gets drained, and then take it into small cups like this. You don't need the entire coriander or mint I have shown. Half of the portions is enough. Now take garlic. That is, if you want to have much more of the garlic flavor, you can add the entire garlic or just add 10 to 12 garlic pods. And then red chili, you need 5 to 6 over here. And then an onion. Here I have taken a large one, so I have taken half of the onion. If you have a medium onion, that will do good. Now take some chilies. That should be around 10 to 15. Now wash the onion and peel it and chop it, and then the chilies also. That's it. So let's have a quick look of what the ingredients we need. Chopped tomatoes, coriander, mint that is fresh, and garlic pods 10 to 12, chili and onion, and then red chili. So let us see how to prepare. Take a pan and place it on the stove and turn on the stove and heat the oil. You need to add oil, that is 7 to 8 tablespoons. That will do good. And then add jeera or cumin seeds, and then add chopped onions and chilies and chopped tomatoes. Now add red chilies. If you want to have a little bit of the red chili flavor, you can add 7 to 8 red chilies, and then the garlic pods. Now just give a quick stir and then allow them to cook for almost 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Place the lid on top of it, and after 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, this will be the consistency of the tomatoes. They turn soft. Now this is the time we need to add salt to taste. Later add mint and then coriander leaves. Remember, in this chutney, mint and coriander should be 1/4 portion of the tomatoes we have added. So I must say mint and coriander should be very little. Now you should not overcook coriander and mint. So simmer and then cook for just 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, just check for your tomatoes. See, they all turn very soft and like puree in consistency. And then your coriander and mint is also fresh till now. You should not over fry coriander and mint. If you, then you will lose the flavor of this chutney. The trick in this is you need to have fresh coriander and fresh mint. Do not over fry that. Now after cooling, you need to add that into the blender and blend it nicely. If you want to have in a coarser manner, that is also nice. And if you want to have paste consistency, that is also good. So this is the consistency I would like to consume it. So see, you can see that mint and coriander leaves. And then now serve this with hot idlis or dosa with this tomato, mint and coriander fusion chutney, and also coconut chutney. For coconut chutney recipe, please follow the link I have given in the description. See how yummy the tomato chutney is. Isn't it mouth-watering? So why late? Just go and prepare this mouth-refreshing tomato, mint and coriander fused chutney. For more interesting recipes, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and also share it with many so that they can try these yummy recipes. Thank you.